Hello and welcome. This is Evelyn Brink here from brinkcoaching.com. I train business leaders to bring your expertise to the lens so that you can shine on video and on television and really be the leader you were meant to be in the digital age. In this short video, I'm going to talk about the deep, dark, secret veil that holds you back from creating, completing, or posting videos you know you should. You know you should make these videos and post them, but you simply don't. Why? Oh, why? Was that dramatic or what? Why are you not doing this? In this video, I'm going to tell you why you're not doing this and what you can do to overcome this. So stay tuned to the end because you don't want to miss a thing. I call it the artist syndrome. When you create a piece of content, what happens is you learn and you grow in skill. So once you are kind of almost done, you look back at your piece of content and you go, I could have done this better. So some of you will stop there because you think, I should have done that better. And some of you will go, let me do this better. So with your new level of skill, you do this better. Then you grow and gain more skill. You look back and you think, I really should have done this better. And then you probably go back and do it better. Now you get a little bit frustrated because things become a little robotic because you've done it twice already. It's just not as natural anymore. And you look back and you go, oh man, I really should do this better. Why am I not doing this better? And you go do this better. Eventually you grow a new level of skill and insight and you look back and you think, man, I really could do this better. I have so many more ideas I could use. And you try and do this better. This time your video is really, really long because you brought all your ideas into it. You take a deep breath, you go back and do it again and try to summarize it. And then you look back and you think, oh man, I really could do this better. You see where I'm going with this? I call it the artist syndrome because the art keeps growing and your drive for beauty and perfection grows beautifully alongside with that. So when are we completing and posting what we have? Well, the answer is never, darling, because we could do it so much better. Just wait. This wasn't my moment. I'm just warming up. I'm only getting started. You wait. Watch me. And the result is we never do. What's the solution to this? Number one, insight. Understand that you can always do it better because your level of skill is growing alongside with your level of insight for what's possible. So there will always be a new horizon opening the further you go. Makes sense? Number two, compassion. Give yourself some compassion. The person that has done the video 5, 10, 15 minutes, half an hour, 10 hours beforehand is not the same person that is watching the video back. So give her or him compassion. They've done the best they could. And number three, dance the dance of courage. Grow some balls, hairy ass balls. And don't take this literally because it would look very awkward on camera if you actually did. So what I'm saying is, be courageous. And I have no idea why balls are linked to courage, people. Quite frankly, you want to talk to me about courage, it's going to be something feminine. And we're going to reserve this topic for another time. Deep breath here. So grow some courage to post something that is 80% perfect. Now, didn't that sound smart? Like we've got a statistics and a measure meter somewhere? Post something that isn't perfect but feels kind of good enough. Do a half Mary Poppins or a counter Mary Poppins, a practically imperfect and almost maybe not every way thing. If it really is imperfect and it's just not good enough, also grow the courage to delete. You don't have to post everything just because you've made it. Make sure that it is at a certain level that you are kind of happy with. If you are somebody who really likes things really good, really done well, post something that you're kind of happy with. If you're the sloppy type, just don't post it. It's probably not good enough, okay? In all cases, I really recommend that you get professional feedback. Insert slimy TV commercial here. But join a group of people that give you genuine feedback. Come and get some training so that you understand what your good enough actually is and step up your game. Step up your game, get trained. Why do you expect yourself to do this by yourself without having been trained? Is that how you go about your profession? No, we don't. So that was my commercial about myself. That's what I do. I help you bring your expertise to the camera so that you can shine in the spotlight and make it more than good enough. Up level each time, get it better and get it better and get it better. And in the meantime, learn to post at 80%. I hope you found this super useful. I look forward to hearing from you. info@brinkcoaching.com. Reach out and let's find out if and how I can help you bring your expertise to the lens and up-level your game on camera. Remember, it is so good to be seen on screen.